On, beautiful people, D'Lo Brands back for another video, and today we're going over something that I have been experimenting with very heavily over the last couple weeks. I've shifted my mindset when it comes to agents, and in this video I want to show you the absolute best easiest way to hire your first AI agent employee, and that is going to be with a platform called Bud. Okay. So I'm not sure if you've ever heard of Bud, but Bud is basically, and they didn't have any extravagant launch. I found them on Twitter by somebody talking about them, but basically this is kind of what it is. So I named my Bud Vova, but when you log in for the first time, you'll be able to name your agent, and it's a very easy process. But you see right here that you can text it. So if you have an iPhone, you can iMessage this um, agent very easily. If you want to use Telegram, you can do the same thing. And this agent is just like every other agent. So if you use Manus before, if you use Codex, if you use Cloud Code, it's just like those. But here is my favorite part about it. Okay. It has its own computer. And in its computer, it has not only internet browsing capabilities, but it has its own files. So basically, what this company did that released and built Bud, they have created an agent that has its own workspace, truly its own workspace, and it is able to hook up to your API keys and you're able to get things done. So in here, it has some stuff. I had it redesign my resume for whatever reason. We had a lot of things, readmes, whatever. So it has it inside of its own um, workspace. It has a memory, but its name, Vova. Then it has the system instructions that I input. So basically, you can come in here and customize this agent that has its own computer. Now, down here, you see models. You have access to all of the top models. This is not all the models. If we go to configure, they have every single model. I just have these turned off because I'm using my ChatGPT subscription. And I'm going to talk about it a little bit later about how I'm splitting that up, but you can turn on all of these. They have an auto mode that goes through them, and you can configure the provider between Bud credits, Anthropic API key, and OpenRouter. And before I go any further, this is not sponsored at all. I just really like this platform, and I don't pay for them. Actually, I don't pay for them. Like I said, I use my subscription. So if we go over here to pricing, they have some very reasonable pricing. When I first got in here and I was trying out things, I actually deleted those chats already, but it gave you 100,000 free credits. Okay, that 100,000 was maybe about 10 messages. So if you have 2 million credits for $25 a month, you're going to get everything you need and more from, this bot for the month. Because the way that we're going to set this up, and this will actually be later on, we will be having a class, a virtual class on hiring your first AI employee. And I'll show you how to set this up in a way where it will use the least amount of credits and it will just do what it needs to do. So this is the pricing. They have a max, of course. I don't really think a max is worth it. You might as well just get, you know, the other models. Unless this is the only subscription that you're using, then I probably wouldn't do it. But so it has, you can import from a local folder or you can import from GitHub, and it also has its own skills. I've had it build a couple of skills for me. We see TVA outreach specialist, and it has a ton of other skills that you can connect, a lot of which I haven't seen on a lot of other platforms. They have Cal, they have Box, and they do this through Composio. So if I pull up my messages really quick with Vova, this is my chat with Vova. So hopefully you guys can see this. But basically, I am able to iMessage this agent, and I actually started off inside of here. I want to go back up to the. I basically said, I just want to give you one task. I want you to be the outreach specialist for my company. And so I wanted it to get in the mindset of that. And the reason why I don't want, like, my mindset has shifted in terms of agents by only giving them one role. Like, an orchestrator is fine, but chances are you don't need an orchestrator. Nobody needs an orchestrator right now, unless you're literally dealing with agent swarms and real agent teams. Like, I only have two different agents right now. I canceled my clock subscription; they're done. Hasta la vista to them. But um, I only want my agents to do one specific thing. So as you can see, it sent me links to connect everything that it needed um for us to get this work done. So it sent Composio links, and then I sent it different documentation that I already had before. Um so just regular iMessage conversation. And I really, 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 wow, my API key is in there. That API key is not running anymore, so whatever. But that's Vova. So Vova, I can talk to her anytime. I got my phone. Where's my phone? My phone's right here. I can text Vova at any time and get her to do something. And over the next week, I'll be turning her into my personal assistant instead of working with one of my companies, because I just want an agent that I can ask anything. It can do anything pertaining to me. It knows my context, you know, and I can, send it a text on iMessage. That's very, very important for my agents. So you can make all these connections. It can set up automations. So this is one automation that we had set up. We're not doing this anymore, which we should probably delete this. So um you can set up automations, get things done on a daily basis. Personalization, like I said, you have a system prompt. You guys saw that system prompt inside of the bud memory.md. So that's injected into every prompt. You could change your name here. And you guys saw this, so bring your own key. And they also have this section that will teach you how to use Bud, which I think is very, very cool. And Bud kind of reminds me of Lutra.ai. Lutra.ai is probably the first AI platform that was an agent that I used. But at the time, they didn't like have the best marketing or the best look, and even now they kind of don't. But I I wouldn't shy away from the usefulness of platforms like this because they may not look like a bigger company. They're agents. Bring your own key, if especially if they let you bring your own key and you don't have to pay for their subscription. Like, companies like that, I think are pretty good, if I'm being honest. So, um, you can choose your project, work inside of a project. If you want to use this for one of your companies, then just make a company project folder and give it to Vova, and it'll work out of that. They have tons of little examples that you can do: analyze, research, make a video. It does make videos, it does make images, so it has access to a ton of things. Um, they have a Discord as well, where they are very, very attentive. They're very, very attentive in responding to feedback and making sure that people are having a good time with Bud, honestly. And that's one aspect that I really, really appreciate from them. So shout out to the Bud team. I'm trying to bring up my Discord really quick so I can show you guys that. But that's kind of all I wanted to show you guys, was that this is the easiest way to hire an agent. They have their own harness, I'm pretty sure, unless it's just a OpenClaw instance. Either way, I really don't care. as long as it has its own um computer, like that's very, very, very vital, because then it's completely separate. Like my OpenClaw Martin, he has his own MacBook. He has his own MacBook. I don't want him near my stuff, anything like that. But it's very important for them to have their own files. So, tons of stuff. May 4th, and they very responsive, issues and feedback, you know, and it is a new platform. So there are things that they are still rolling out, that they are getting done, and things of that nature. But they are very attentive, and I appreciate that out of a agent company. So check the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link. Check out Bud. Try it out for yourself. Start texting it. Trust me, it will change your life. If you feel the difference of texting your agent on iMessage compared to Telegram or WhatsApp, like you'll love it so much more. Especially as an iPhone user, I love it so much more. So, um, join the AI Educate AI Lab community. That is past 60 members now. So you guys know that this is closing at 75 members. So we're at 61 members right now. So it's closing at 75. I'm considering just creating it, making it $1 a month for the free community, just to get access to the resources still. But the higher tier will be with the courses included in different engagements, like one-on-one chats or whatever. And yeah, join that. Tons of resources there. I'll just show you guys a couple. So this is our latest one: automate social media with AI. If you did not watch our old video, these are the two prompts that I said would be here from that video. So if you want to try and get it now, get it now. But these are the best when you are building your brand and actually trying to give your brand context to AI. This is the best way to do it. So definitely get in the community. But that's it, beautiful people. I appreciate you for stopping by, and keep learning AI. It's been D'Lo Brands. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.